read this book. I can stop my hiccups. I can stop my hiccups. There is a cottage in the woods. There, 3 little pigs live there. Their mom lives there too. The three little pigs love to play in the woods. Mama Pig has to go on a trip. She is going to visit Grandma Pig. Here is a cake, says Mama Cake and Mama Pig. Make sure you share it. Goodbye, children. Little Pig look at the cake. Yum, yum. He wants to eat it all. He does not want to share it with anybody. Let's pick strawberries, says Big Brother and Big Sister Pig. No, thanks. I will stay here and clean, says Little Pig. Okay, Little Pig. Now I can eat all the cake. Little Pig eats it all up. What a mess. Then Little Pig hears footsteps. Who is it? Oh my! Big Brother and Big Sister Pig are back. Suddenly Little Pig gets a hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup. Did you eat the whole cake? Big Brother and Big Sister Pig are surprised. I'm sorry, says Little Pig. Hiccup, hiccup. Can you help me? I can't stop my hiccups. Big Sister Pig has a good idea. Let's scare the hiccups away. She growls like a tiger. Roar! Hiccup, hiccup. I still can't stop my hiccups, says Little Pig. Big Brother Pig has another idea. Let's hide from the hiccups. Little Pig hides behind the sofa. Shh, says Big Brother Pig. Hiccup, hiccup. I still can't stop my hiccups. Little Pig is tired and sad. Hiccup, hiccup. I still can't stop my hiccups. What should I do? Says Big Brother and Big Sister Pig. Suddenly, someone hugged Little Pig from behind. Oh my! Shouts Little Pig. It's Mama Pig. She's back from her trip. You scared me, Mama. Good news, says Big Brother and Big Sister Pig. Your hiccups are gone. Mama Pig has brought pumpkin soup from Grandma Pig. Have some, she says. Big Brother and Big Sister Pig enjoy the soup, but Little Pig can't eat a bite. He's too poor from cake. I won't be greedy next time. Bye bye.